Honored that this little birdhouse has become a favorite place for new mom and dad to have their family. This year again, if you come closer, you can hear the chirping of the baby birds, and mother bird was just here feeding them, and I feel I'm in bliss because this is the way to lead a jolly life. A birdhouse on your deck becomes a perpetual birdhouse for generations to come. What a sight to see the life cycle of life. Little baby chicks are ready and they will be flying very soon. And the mother and father come gather the food, come and feed their little ones. My friends, that's the way to lead a jolly life. Do your share and continue to spread the joy. Be jolly.